In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history in Figma. Version history is your safety net when you're collaborating, experimenting, or simply trying to understand how a design has evolved. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can confidently review past changes whenever you need. Start by opening Figma and heading to the Drafts section on the left side of the home screen. This area holds your personal files. Find the file you want to review and click it to open the design. Make sure the file is fully loaded so you can access all the options in the interface. Now look to the top left corner of the Figma window. You'll see the Figma icon, and just below it, there's a small drop-down. Click that drop-down. This is where Figma keeps a handful of file level options, including the one we need. From the menu that appears, select Show Version History. You don't need to navigate anywhere else. This command works right from within the file you already have open. After you select Show Version History, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Give it a moment if your file is large. Figma is pulling up a timeline of saved points so you can view what changed over time. In this panel, you'll notice entries organized by time and date, often grouped into checkpoints. Each entry typically shows who made the change and when it happened, along with a visual snapshot of the canvas at that moment. This makes it easy to understand how the design progressed, even if multiple people have been contributing. If you aren't seeing the option, double check that you're inside an open file rather than on the home screen. Also, ensure your window is wide enough, since some interface elements can collapse in smaller layouts. If the right side panel looks compressed, try enlarging the window so you can comfortably read the details. The version history view is read only, so you can inspect changes without worrying about altering anything by accident. It's a great way to audit work, compare updates, or simply remind yourself what changed during a sprint. When you're done reviewing, you can continue working in your file as usual. To quickly recap, open Drafts, choose the file you want, move to the top left corner, click the drop-down beneath the Figma icon, and select Show Version History. The history panel will appear on the right, giving you a clear, chronological view of your file's evolution. That's all you need to confidently navigate